Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the average in Excel. So you just use a couple of numbers like these, and then you just simply put in the sum up and then average, and then you just open it. And here you can use like the drag down button. So hold your left mouse click and drag it down with all the numbers you need, and just close it again. So this is your average, and you can even just get it to 6 at this moment, just to round. And you can also do it in another way. So you can remove this, and then you put average, open, and then you click on the first number, hold Control and Shift, like in my last video shown, and put the arrow down. And now you got all the numbers selected at the same time. So if you have to do a lot of numbers, you can use this. It's very easy. And then there you have it. Again, the average of 5.625. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.